Hello guys, welcome to Copenhagen. This is Frederiksborgsgade Street. I'm walking towards the round tower. But before that, you will see a beautiful Kulturbet square. Here you can see some shops, coffee shops, stores, some decorations, and of course, restaurants. And in front of the restaurants, there is a beautiful fountain. And sometimes you will see some strange people, like that girl, wearing short, while everyone are wearing jackets. After a minute walk, I reach this tower. And I want to go up, so I need a ticket so I can go up and show you the beautiful view from the top. Around the tower, there is beautiful architectures and monuments. So I got the ticket and I'm starting to go up now. And here you will see the spiral way to go up. It's a long, long way to the top. This spiral ramp is the only way to go up to the top of the tower. And you know what? This was made or inspired by the Tower of Babel. Halfway up the round tower, you will see a library hall. In this library hall, you will see some exhibition, arts, and designs. Of course, there is also coffee shop if you want to drink some coffee or just simply you want to rest.
Og så putter du den over, når jeg tænder, og så ser vi, om vi kan få vandet til at koge.
Ay, wala po akong kasama. Wala akong kasama. Naglilibot ako. Ikaw lang. Oo.
Akala ko kasama mo.
It's boiling.
Det bliver varmt, ikke?
Here, you can buy some souvenirs like this cups, books, and some souvenir tower. Yeah, that's so cute. And some other things like posters and more pictures or postcards. Yeah, those are nice actually. I'm starting to feel a little tired, but I need to continue. I need to continue going up. Oh, I don't know that one and I don't want to go there. I think I can do it. I will keep walking like the others doing. If those kids can do it, I can do it. Of course. I think I'm near. Look, RUNDETAARN, up, and oh, there is a strange thing here. Stop at the red light. So this is a stoplight. Yes, there is a stoplight here on the top. Finally, I'm here and it's really windy in this area. And yeah, there are some bars around the tower. But if you put your camera a little outside of the bar, then you can take this view without the bars. It's so beautiful, and there is a store here. It's very impressive. They put a store in this top of the tower. You can buy postcard and other things, drinks or something. I just walk in the opposite side of the tower, and this is my view. A little cloudy, but it's still nice. I like the view. It's colorful and beautiful. I think it's more beautiful with the sunshine, but it's okay. This view is not bad for today. Actually, there is a story behind this tower. There is a 12-year-old boy fell down on the tower during 1880. And luckily, he was found the next day and he is alive. His teeth was broken and some little damage in his body. Now I'm done. I'm happy and I'm glad that I made it to the tower again. I like this tower. Nagutom ako kaya pupunta tayo ngayon sa Filipino restaurant. There is a Philippine restaurant here in this street. Let's see if it's open. Now I'm walking towards the Filipino restaurant because I'm a little hungry, and let's see if they have some foods that I like, and maybe they are not open or maybe they are open, I don't know. Let's check it out. I met another Filipina who have a husband, a Danish husband, and I told them to go in this restaurant too so I can meet them there and maybe we can have a chat. So that's how to make friends, you know. So I hope they will come, and I hope this restaurant is open. Since the Filipino restaurant is closed, I'm going to get a China box for Chinese food, and it's cheap actually. I'll show you. Yes, and this, yeah, and the vegetables. And one Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Napasarap ang kwentuhan namin ng mga Pilipino doon sa Chinese restaurant. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Bye!